Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove your phone number from Truecaller. Let's get started. First, open the Truecaller app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, tap on Privacy Center. Now scroll down until you see the Disconnect Google option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to sign out from your Google account. Tap Yes to continue. Once you've signed out of your Google account, scroll down and tap on Deactivate Account. Select all the available options, then tap Continue. Confirm again by tapping Yes or Continue, and follow the on-screen instructions to deactivate your Truecaller account. Now there's one final step. You also need to unlist your phone number from the Truecaller database. To do that, open your web browser and search for Truecaller Unlist. Press Enter and open the first result that says Unlist Phone Number. Scroll down the page and click on No, I want to unlist. Now, enter your phone number along with the correct country code. After that, check the confirmation box, then click Yes if you still have access to that phone number. Next, confirm that you can send and receive SMS messages on that number. Choose any reason for removing your number from Truecaller, then click Unlist. That's it. Your request will be submitted and your phone number will be removed from the Truecaller database after the processing period. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.